Alright, so what's up everybody, welcome back to the TechCider channel. Today we are going to let AI take our computer apart. So let's just jump in, shall we? Alright, so we're going to use ChatGPT for this one because it is the newest and most advanced AI that is available to market. And it's really, I tried this out, it really feels like you're talking to a fucking human on the other end. Let's check this out. Alright, so let's start with a simple question. What is the best computer? Wait, no. What is the best gaming computer for under, let's see, what should be the budget? $1,000. No, $1,000, pretty good. Let's see. Okay, it's difficult. Okay, gaming computer, it's difficult, okay. Let's see. What do you want? What are you recommending? i5 or AMD Ryzen 5? Okay. Let's go with the Ryzen 5. Let's go with AMD. Okay. Why is it recommending a 560? Huh? And a 1650. What? Okay. If you can afford it, 16 gigabytes is even better. Yes, of course. Why would I get... What? 256 gigabytes of SSD. Whoa. Why? What? Let's remove the under. Maybe the under is a problem. Gaming computer. Parts. Let's try parts. What? Wait. Edit. Gaming computer parts. Let's try that. There are many options for building a gaming computer for around $1,000. Okay. Oh, now it's actually specific. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. That's not bad. A 10600K is not good, but the 5600X it is. Alright, so let's put it on the list and see how much is the total. Alright, so as you can see, we have a completely new PC part picker list, and let's just do it. So, the Ryzen 5 5600X and a 6800 XT or 3070. So let's do that. Or 3070 LHR. Doesn't matter if it's LHR or not, but okay. So the 3070 is cheaper. So let's put that. For the case, it recommended, no, not for case, for the power supply, it recommended a 600 watt. Wait, did it recommend a specific part? Let's see. Yes, it recommended the EVGA 600 watts bronze. What? Let's see. Is it cheap? I'm not sure. Bronze, 600 watts at least. I'm pretty sure it should be more than that. It's not even cheap. Like, there we go. It's $70. I can get what? I can get the gold, the EVGA 700 gold. It's both 700 watts and 80 plus gold for $10 less. So let's put it like that, and I'll tell the AI that it happened. Alright, let's see. What will happen if I tell him, if I tell the AI that I found, let's see. For the power supply, nope. I found the EVGA 700 gold for $10 cheaper, so I will go with that. Let's see how it responds. That is a good choice. Oh, wow. What? That is a good choice. The EVGA 700 watts gold power supply is a solid option for a gaming computer. So it didn't actually recommend a motherboard for Intel. Either the B550F or the X570 Master. Let's try that. Okay, motherboard. So let's see. Only those. Let's cut everything else out. So it was the Gigabyte X570 Master. Let's see. Okay, no, that's way too expensive. That's the B550 though. This is way too expensive. What? Let's tell it that I found something else. Let's tell him that I found this one, like the MSI Pro B550 MVC Wi-Fi for $110. So let's actually try. For the motherboard, I found the MSI Pro V550 MVC Wi-Fi for $110. Is it a good option? Let's see. The MSI Pro V550 MVC Wi-Fi is a solid budget motherboard option for a gaming computer build. Yeah, it tells me that it's a good idea. So let's just put it in. Okay. Next, memory. It told me 16 gigs of 3200 megahertz. So let's set this to at least 32 and 2x8. Let's see. Team Group Elite. Let's give it a dilemma. Let's compare both of those. No, let's compare the Team Group Elite and the Silicon Power Gaming because I don't think it will recognize this model. Let's put it in. Which is better? Wait, let's actually copy it. Oh no. Which is better? The Team Group Elite 16 or let's copy that, or this one. Let's give it a dilemma. Both of them are good options, okay. You may want to go with the Team Group Elite if you're more interested in aesthetics and willing to pay a little extra. The Silicon Power Gaming could be a good option. So I can afford it since it's only like, it's literally a little extra. It's $1. Okay, sure. It's actually a good option, but the graphics card is not good. Shit. Okay. Case. Did it recommend a case? Yes, the Fantex Enthoo Evolve X or Lian Li PC011 Dynamic. Let's see. Case. Lian Li PC011. Oh, it's this one. Really? The 011. Can I... Is it a... Dynamic. So it's recommending this one. That's a bit expensive, my guy. But let's put it here. I don't want to argue with him no more. I'll just do that. What did it recommend for the storage? 500 gigs NVMe SSD. Okay, that's fine. Plus 1 terabyte. Yeah, it's fine actually. So obviously, anything that is NVMe. Wait, it didn't specify. So anything that is NVMe and 500 gigs exactly. So let's put it like that. And cheapest, of course, because that's what we should go for. And then the cheapest 1 terabyte hard drive. So it cannot be an SSD. So form factor 3.5 and just do that. Again, the cheapest. So the total comes to 1163, which is a bit expensive. Let's ask it for, a cheaper case. Can you recommend a cheaper case? Here are a few options to consider. The H17 is too... no. Oh, and it actually includes the price. Okay, fractal design mesh if I see. Okay, that's fine. And the P400A is still good, but $100. Ooh. Let's see. How about the cooler master box MB511. So it actually is telling me that it's good. Price point is around $70. It most certainly is. I will tell him about that. I found it for $45, so let's tell it. That is an excellent price for a case. The cooler, yeah. Okay. The transparent side panel is also a nice touch if you want to show off your components. Oh, so it is an excellent value. Okay, this is a good computer. That's actually good, and that lowers the price to $1068. The price is still over $1,000. How can I lower the price without hurting performance? Let's see. There are a few ways you can lower the price. Yep. Lower tier. That's the definition of harder. Oh my god. It recommends the RX 6800. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Can I go with the Ryzen 5 5600 non-X? Yes, you can definitely consider with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 non-X for gaming PC. It is similar to the 5600X, and yeah, slightly lower base clock and does not come with a stock cooler. What? Yes, it is. Why are you lying? Why are you lying? The 5600 non-X does come with a cooler though. Let's see. I apologize for the mistake. It knows how to apologize. Does indeed come with a cooler. The AMD Wraith Stealth. Oh wow. What the fuck? But it still is too expensive. What is the difference in performance between the RTX 3070 and the RX 6800 non-XT? Let's see. Are both solid graphics card for gaming? Yes. Slightly faster with better ray tracing. Okay. A lower price point. Yep, that's correct. Higher DLP, which means it may require slightly more powerful power supply. Yep. Solid performance at a lower point. The RX 6800 non-XT could be a good option. Let's check it. Let's check the benchmarks. How much performance are we losing here? Yeah, we're definitely losing a lot of performance here. It's way faster, so let's correct it. Actually, the RX 6800 non-XT is a, how much is it? Faster at 4K. I apologize for any incorrect information in my previous response. It is true that okay. So, however, it is worth noted that, yeah, of course. So, it does accept its mistakes, but it really stands its ground here. It recommends the 3070. It's an NVIDIA fanboy. Alright, so let's go with the RX 6800. How much does it go for? $499. That's really good. That brings the price point lower than $1,000. Can you recommend any faster and any SSD that has 1 terabyte capacity and is PCIe 4. Let's see. Okay, so it corrects it to PCIe 4.0, which is really good. The 970 even plus, okay, yes. Very good option right there. The Cybersocket 4. Yeah, nice, $80, which is a lot cheaper, and I still have $30 to spend. Any upgrades for $27? Said upgrading the RAM, which is a good option. So let's bump it up to 3600 megahertz. Wait, there we go. And yeah, that should be good. 2x8. The Vulkan Z, 16 gigs. Yeah, that's really good. And now that's it. That's the computer that the AI recommended me after correcting it, which is way better than the computer it recommended at first, because that computer was like $150 above the budget. So here we are, the Ryzen 5 5600, the B550 VC Wi-Fi, the Vulkan Z 16 gigs, the Cybersocket 4.01 terabyte, the RX 6800 non-XT, the Masterbox MB511, which is really good, and the EVGA 700 GD 700 watts 80 plus God. So $980, that is in our budget. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did make it, because I really did. Please like and subscribe, because it really helps the channel out. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.